Since 2019, EcoTec's EcoSBR sewage treatment system demonstrates how simple and robust technology delivers reliable, sustainable recyclable wastewater treatment in a commercial building in Bangalore. EcoTec got involved right from the design stage. The tanks are engineered with optimal footprint according to the building type. The machinery installation and placement ensured safe conditions for the operation, securing the water and the equipment. Fully automated EcoSBR plant sets a benchmark for intelligent, automated, technology-driven operations instead of relying on manual operator. Even during the COVID-19 pandemic, the EcoSBR plant ran uninterrupted for several months, where controller automatically switched to EcoSave mode, conserving energy. Presently, plant runs with just one operator on single shift.
I take care of the plant. I carry out backwash of filter daily and record treated water readings. I check the quality of treatment and conduct visual inspection of the plant. If there's an issue, the controller gives an alarm. I hear it and fix it right away, following the standard procedures.
The building operates on a zero wastewater model, reusing every drop for flushing and cooling towers to achieve total sustainability. Get in touch with us.